Hello and welcome to Monday Morning Mastery, powered by the Next Academy, building construction leaders for what comes next. I'm Cody Phillips. As always, I hope this finds you ready to attack the week ahead. Words and actions. Heard a good one today. You may have heard it too. 3 guys are in a boat. 2 decide to jump out and take a swim. How many are left? The answer: 3. Deciding doesn't mean anything. Taking action is the only thing that counts. Buzz Williams, who is the head basketball coach now at Texas A&M University and a really good follow on social media, he recently tweeted a message about how the pandemic had made him take an introspective look at his words and actions. And his message resonated with me so strongly because I've been consciously trying my best to better align those two since the beginning of 2019. Now, I've certainly had many times where I've not lived up to that lofty standard, but I get asked a lot about my schedule, my morning routine, about how I spend my time. And I think this sums it up best. When your words and your actions in life match up, that allows you to be the steward that you should be to your spouse, to your children, to your community, to your job, to whatever is most important to you. With that symmetry between actions and words as the pillar or the backbone of every decision you make, it allows you rather easily to figure out how to best allocate your time. Once you take ownership of your words and actions, very quickly you prioritize a schedule that maps to your desired outcomes. To talk about something is one thing, to do it is another. What makes Marcus Aurelius so impressive is that he did more or less live up to his beautiful writings. He didn't just talk about his philosophy, he embodied it. In that, he is such an inspiring example, a call to us all to follow in his footsteps. Who are some more examples from history who you think met this lofty standard? My challenge to you today is to make your words and your actions more congruent. We like to postpone our greatness for some imaginary time in the future. There will never be a better time to be the best version of you than right now. Less talk, more do. Do what you say you're going to do. It is a lost art. As always, I hope you found great value in today's episode. Don't ever stop chasing to be better. Every day is another opportunity to learn and grow. Registration is now open for the 2021 Next Academy class. If you're interested, check out our website at nextleadershipacademy.org or give me a shout. My goal is for registration to end at the end of this month. There are plenty of spots still available. We'd love for you to consider and explore the opportunity. I run an introductory webinar every 2 weeks. If you ever want to pop in and find out what the heck is the Next Academy that Cody keeps talking about, you can hit me up in the comments or on a private message and I'll get you all of the details necessary to join me. To all of you listening and watching, as I say every week, thank you so much for your support of these messages and your willingness to hit that share button and pass along this content to coworkers, friends, family across all of the social media landscape. I certainly appreciate that. If I can ever help you in any way, please don't hesitate to reach out. I hope you know by now that I'm always here to help, or more importantly, find you the necessary resources that can help you as you travel on your leadership journey. Please be safe and smart out there. I look forward to seeing you again next week. Until then, attack the week ahead, own your life, and be